morning guys! Today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY photo shoot in the comfort of your own home. To be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing too, but I'm gonna try my best. And I've got some ideas already, so let's get to it. I'm using my sister as a model, but this is basically what I'm going to be using. I've got fur right here. As you can see, I've got some ideas going. I'm going to set up the, what do you call this, the set first, and then I'm going down to put makeup to glam up my sister, and I thought it would be nice to shoot everything. I'm doing this for my creative portfolio, and I know sometimes that people rent like sets for like shoots and stuff, but I don't really have the money for that, so I thought, why not shoot like the process of me trying to make something for my creative portfolio, if that makes sense. So let's get started. Smile.
I'm taking lessons.
Okay, so I finished her makeup and her outfit, and as you can see, the set is ready, and I'm going to be using her phone first because I wanted to show that you're so oh yeah. So she's my older sister. You might have seen her in my other videos, I think. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to use her phone. Not going to use my phone because it's not an iPhone, but it's because I just wanted to show you guys that you you don't really need like a DSLR camera and stuff like that to create a good photo or like a portfolio kind of thing. But I'm also going to be taking some from here because it is from a creative portfolio. But I'm going to be shooting some of the footage of me trying to get some of her photos. So let's go. We are back again, and I'm going to show you the before and after photos that I took from the phone and from the DSLR camera. So I'm going to be showing you the raw photos right here and the edited versions right here. First, I'm going to show you the shots that I took from the phone. They actually turned out quite nicely.
Next level.
And now, these are the photos that I took from the camera, DSLR camera. Obviously, there's a difference in quality. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you if ever you're planning on doing a photo shoot and you're thinking to yourself, well, I'm gonna have to rent a set and I don't really have the money. So I hope this gave you the inspiration or like the idea that you can actually do a photo shoot in your own home and you don't really need to rent a set. Obviously, if you have the money, why not? I just did this so you know that you can actually do it at home and you don't really need to spend that much money. Just use the things around you and be creative and resourceful. Yeah, that's the word. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas and inspirations if you do want to have a photo shoot at the comfort of your own home. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!